Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable jam recovery in your HP printer's settings. So jam recovery, as the name would imply, it's a feature that allows the printer to attempt to reprint jammed pages. So by default, I believe the setting is set for automatic, which will attempt to reprint jammed pages if there's enough memory available. So if you want to turn that on or off, maybe you don't want it to try and keep reprinting jammed pages once the jam has been resolved. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in control panel. Best result should come back with control panel. So go ahead and open that up. So your view by in the top right, the category view, and then underneath hardware and sound, select view devices and printers. Select printers and scanners, and then locate your HP printer from this list and go ahead and open it up. And now you want to select where it says printer properties. Select the device settings tab, and then underneath jam recovery at the top, you can either set it to auto or off. And then once you've made your selection, select apply and OK here at the bottom to save the change. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.